All right, hello. I had no idea that I have a lightning talk, so I don't have any slides. But anyway, BCOP. So this is best current operational practices. This is the effort that we are trying to encourage people from different communities, from different network operators group, to come together and start documenting what is the best current operational practice in many things that are of concern of the operators. So maybe, I don't know, you're implementing something new, maybe IPv6 or DNSSEC, or you are building a new air conditioning in your data center, or you're wondering how to do stuff, and then you go on Google or wherever else you want to go, or to your preferred search engine, and you try to search for how to do things, how to run your network, how to implement new stuff, and then you find a huge number of responses how to do this stuff, but then you don't know which one is valid, which one is the best one, or which one you should use. So what we're trying to do is to encourage operators basically to come together and figure out what kind of topics would be relevant for these best kind of operational practices, and start documenting down the procedures that they are using. The beauty of this stuff is that these documents and this advice how to do things is from operators for operators. So you are the ones that are vetting and deciding if this is good information or not, and letting other people get the good information from the internet. So, for example, in other regions, we built a couple of BCOP documents. For example, in RIPE region, we built RIPE 554, that is the IPv6 requirements for ICT equipment. That is a procurement document with a list of requirements that you should require when you are buying equipment as the ISP. Then other example of the best current operational practice was IPv6 troubleshooting for residential help desks. So if you are a service provider and if you are implementing IPv6, then sooner or later you will have to teach your help desk how to troubleshoot IPv6, because people will start calling. So, and we documented the best practice how to teach your help desk how to deal with IPv6. For example, now we are working on, because lots of people ask me, when we deploy IPv6 to our end customers, what is the prefix delegation size that we should use and choose for our residential customers and business customers? And of course, the answer is /56 or /48 or /48 for everyone. And now we are in the process of writing a document with other operators that offers a sound advice on what are the good decisions that you should choose when you are deploying IPv6 to your residential customers, and how you should assign it statically or dynamically. I think this document is just about to get the consensus in the community, so watch out for the RIPE IPv6 working group mailing list if you're interested in that stuff. But otherwise, if there is interest and will to start working on these documents, I'm here. I'm around if you want any advice or idea how to start working on these things. Good volunteers with lots of energy and time to do this stuff are always welcome. Or if you want to do it later, talk to SDNOG team, and I'm sure that you will be able to pull together some sort of a meeting at the next SDNOG and start the whole thing. And with that, thank you very much.